How to calculate the range? The big value minus small value. The lowest and the highest, find the difference. How to calculate the interquartile range and percentiles. How to calculate Q1, Q2, and Q3 interquartile range, which is Q3 minus Q1. To get the interquartile range, you have to get Q1, Q3, then subtract. Where is Q2 represent? Q2 represent the median. Q2 represent the median. If we have discrete values, how to calculate the median Q1, Q3 interquartile range? First, you have to rearrange the values ascendingly or descendingly. It's already given arranged, right? 2, 5, 9, 13, 29, 33, 49, 55. Which is the median? What is the middle value? You have to get the order of median, which is order of Q2. How many values do we have? 8 divided by 2. If we have a whole number, this means we have how many medians? 2. You have to get their average. 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 values. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Fourth and fifth. Find their sum divided by 2, which is average. Fourth and fifth, find the middle value, which is 13 plus 29 divided by 2. The answer is 21. So the median is 21. How many values before and how many values after? We have 4 values and we have here 4 values. What is the median of the first set? By the same way, we have the median of the first 4 numbers. The median divided the set of values into 2. We have 4 values before and 4 values after. How to get the median of the first set? By the same way, we have 4 values. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Use second and third and find their average. So will be 5 plus 9 divided by 2. So the answer is 7. So 7 represents the lower value. Then, by the same way, we have 4 values. How to identify the median of the second values? Find the average of 33 plus 49. So the answer will be 41. 7. Q1 is 7, the lower quartile. 21 represent the median. Q3 represent the upper quartile. We divided data into 4 quadrants. The first quadrant, second quadrant, third, and fourth. So Q1, Q2, Q3 divided the scale into 4 quadrants. This is why we name it the lower quartile, the median, the upper quartile. If we have discrete values, how to divide the scale into 4 quadrants? Identify Q1, Q2, Q3. We started first with Q2, which represented the median. n divided by 2, 4. If it is whole, we have two medians, find their average. Find the fourth, fifth, their average, 21. This is the represent the median. We divided the sets of values into two. The first set, 4 values, find the median. The second set, 4 values, find the median. Q1 lower, Q2 median, Q3 upper, interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. Q3 is 41, Q1 is 7, so the answer will be 34. Yes, you have a question? 2 and 5 called the first, 9 and 3 second, 29 and 3 fourth, a third, 49 and 55 is fourth. You have a question?
No, I want to equal up.
Okay.
order median. انا عارف الفور بس امتى بنحط فيفث ولا لا؟
If it is whole, this means we have two medians. If it is decimal, if say we have 9 values, 9 divided by 2, 4.5, rounded up will be fifths, only one median. First, second, third. Again, find the interquartile range of 7 values. Make sure the values are arranged ascending or descending. It's not arranged, so you have to rearrange. 6, then 17, then 39, then 43, 69, 73, and 77. Where is the median? The order of median. The order of median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 divided by 2 is? If it is decimal, rounded up. So will be the fourth value represent the median. The fourth value is, this represent Q2. Before this value, how many values? 3. Find the median of the first 3. It's 17, will be Q1. And find the median will be Q3. Interquartile range is the difference between Q3 and Q1. So Q3 is 73 minus 17. What is the answer? Answer 56. We have a group of 13. You can write them again arranged ascendingly without using the stem and leaf, or you can identify directly the value from stem and leaf. How many values do we have? 13. What is the median? The median is the 7th value. How? 13 divided by 2 is? Rounded up will be the 7th value represented the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at 3. 3 is the median. Before 3, how many values? 6 values, which represent the median. If you divide 6 by 2 is? So you have to get third and fourth. If you get it whole, we have 2 medians, find their average. We have 6 values, 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 4th. 3 and 4th is 4 and 8, find their average. So Q1 equals you have to back to the original values. Don't try to say 4 plus 8 divided by 2. Look at the key. What is the original values? The key is 142 means 142. So the main values is 144 plus 148 divided by 2 will be 146. This is Q1. El Q2, the original, el 3 is 153. El Q2 is 153. It's depends on the values of A of the key. What about Q3? After 3, we have 60 values. 60 divided by 2 is 3. Use third and the fourth. 7 and 9. But 7 is 157. 9 is 159 divided by 2. So the answer is 158. Then add 150. So the answer of Q1, answer of Q3, interquartile range is 158 minus 146. So the answer is 12. How to calculate the median, the upper quartile, the lower quartile from the cumulative frequency graph? I will tell you. We divided the data into 4 quadrants. The highest value opposite to 500 divided by 2 will be 250. The corresponding value of 250 represents the median. If you divided it by 4, will be 125. This is the order of Q1. If you get the 3/4 of the value, will be at 375. So we divided the scale from 0 to 500 into 4 quadrants. So Q1 represented the fourth of total, fourth of 500, or 25% of 500, which is 125. Find the vertical value. It's 5 point. The values from 0 to 5. It's 5 divided by 10, which is 0.2. So this is 5.2. So this value will be at 5.2, 5.4, 5.6, 5.8, 6, 6.2. How come? This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 0.5. 5 divided by 10. Yeah. 0.5. So it's 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5 at 8. So Q1 is 8. For the median, opposite to 50, find the vertical value. Let's say at this point, 10.5, 11, 11.5, and approximately 12. For Q3, it's about 10, 15, 14.5. This is the upper, lower, and median. How to get Q2 interquartile range? The interquartile range, the difference between Q3 minus Q1. Find the greatest possible range. What is the greatest possible range? What is the highest value and what is the lowest value from the graph? The lowest value at, this is the lowest value at, no, it's not 0. I'm talking about the x, the values. الفاليوز الواي ده اسمه الكيوميوليتيف فريكوينسي. How many times repeated. The first value is 1, approximately 2. The lowest value of 2, but the highest value at 30. So the range will be 30 minus 2 will be 28. 30 minus 2 is 28. The lowest value is 2. The highest value is 30. The difference in between will be 28. من 1 point. لا, if it is given the table already, لكن أنا عندي الجراف direct. If the given the table and you have to close the gaps by adding 0.5 and minus 0.5. What is the interquartile range? The interquartile range, the difference between Q3 and Q1. What is the 59th percentiles? El Q1, el Q3 and the Q1, it's called, el Q1 is called what? El Q1 is el 25th percentiles. El Q3 is 75th percentile. So when I ask you to get 95th, how to calculate it? I will get its order first, which is 95% of the total, which is what? 95% of 500. Again? 475. Go up. 475, find the corresponding value. See? 475. Go down to get the 95th percentile. If I ask you to get the 40th percentiles, find its order first, 40% of 500, then find the corresponding value. He asked you to get the 95th percentile means 95% from the total, which is 500. This represents order. When I ask you to get Q1, Q1 represents what? 25th. Q3 represents what? 75. Q2 represents 50. So when I ask you to get 95th, 95 times 500 is 475. Horizontally, vertically, find the value. Box and whisker plots. After identifying the values of Q1, Q2, Q3, minimum value, maximum value. For box and whisker, we have 5 values. You have to show 5 values. The minimum value, the maximum value, and in between 3 values. Which one is Q1, Q2, and Q3? The box starts from Q1 and Q3, and whiskers to minimum and the maximum. The minimum value and maximum value given in the range, given in the question. The lowest, and the highest. I will give example. How to represent box and whisker for the given data. Listen. Find, it's given the similar leaf. We have how many values? 15. Find the Q1, Q2, Q3, lower, upper. What is the minimum value? The first value. The first, you have to read this. 25 means 25, so 09 is 9. This is the first point of the box and whisker plot. The last point will be at 50. And we need to identify 3 values. Q1, Q2 and Q3. Q2 in the middle. How many values do we have? 15 divided by 2. Rounded up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the original values is 37. Q2 is 37. How many values before 7? 7 values. Where is the median? 7 divided by 2, 3.5, rounded up will be 4th. 9, 4, 5, 8. So Q1 is 28. Then exactly same. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be 46. Clear? How to plot box and whisker plot? Just to draw a horizontal line. By drawing a horizontal line, you have to use a scale. The scale, the values start from 9 and end with 50. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Or I will extend it to be 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. I need 5 values. But actually it's 6 values. But inshallah, after explaining how to identify the outliers, we can plot the outliers before, then draw the box and whisker. But this point is not included in Cambridge syllabus. But if you study Edexcel syllabus, it's included. We need 5 values only. The first value at 28. At 28, let's say this value at 28. Last value at the minimum value at 9. This is the lower value, 9. Then Q1, then Q2 37, then Q3 46, then the last value at 50. Draw rectangle at these values with any width and length. This represents the box. Then draw 2 whiskers, 2 lines from Q3 to the highest value and another line from Q1 to the lowest. This is box and whisker. Find the range. What is the range?
The maximum value minus the
Range is 50 minus 9, which is 41. Interquartile range, Q3 minus Q1. Q3 46 minus 28. The answer is 18. Draw box and whisker. Clear?
And what about the last one, C?
For this set of data, express Q3 in terms of Q1 and Q2. This is Q1, Q2, and Q3. What is, inshallah, we'll study this point in details when we explain the normal distribution. What is the difference between Q3 and the Q2? Difference between Q2 and the Q1. Is it approximately same? This part, the difference between Q2 and the Q1, Q3 and the Q2, is it same? Find the values. Find the values. Q2 minus Q1 is Q3 minus Q2 is. Q2 minus Q1 is Q2 minus Q1. 37 minus 28. 37 minus 28. So the answer is 9. Q3 minus Q2. 46 minus 37. Is it 9 exactly? This kind of data, it's called normal distribution. Normal distribution, there is asymmetrical between Q2 divided data between Q1 and Q3 exactly into two. This is called symmetrical. To get a relation between Q2, Q1, Q3, in this question, they are same. So Q3 minus Q2, approximately same sometimes, exactly same like this question, which is equal Q2 minus Q1. If we collect Q2 together, move to the other side, will be 2 Q2 is equal to Q3 plus Q1. This is a relation between double of median. Double of median is sum of Q1 and Q3. In this case, it's called symmetrical. He asked you to get a relation, find for this set, express Q3 in terms. It's like looks like algebra. How to get Q3 in terms of Q1? I get Q3 plus Q1. No, I will move. He asked to get Q3 in terms of what? Q1 and Q2 will be double of Q2 minus Q1. This is the relation connected between Q3 and Q1.